Hi guys, today I have a quick little tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to knit the Estonian button stitch. They are these cute little nubs. They almost look like little wraps. They're little nubs and they are just a great way to add some detailing, some texture, a little bit of embellishing to your knitwear. And it's a super simple stitch, so I'm going to break it down for you. So the Estonian button stitch is worked over a set of 2 stitches. However, we need to count out 1, 2, 3 stitches in order to start. And you are going to insert the tip of your right hand needle between the 2nd and 3rd stitch on your left hand needle. Like so. And then you are going to draw up a loop and place that loop onto your left hand needle. Then you are going to knit through the back loop of that stitch that you just placed onto your left hand needle. So go in through the back loop and knit that stitch, sliding it off. Next, you are going to slip the next 2 stitches purlwise. And then you are going to take that first stitch and pass it over the 2 slipped stitches. And that's it. You've created your little Estonian button stitch. How cute is that? So I'm going to go ahead and show you just a quicker way to knit this button stitch. It's the same process, just going to show you a little shortcut. So again, you're going to go in between the 2nd and 3rd stitch on your left hand needle. Draw up your loop and place the loop onto your left hand needle. But instead of sliding your right hand needle out, you can see it's already positioned through the back loop of the stitch. So you could just go ahead and knit it off. And then you can slip the next 2 stitches simultaneously and then pass that first stitch over the 2 slipped stitches. So it's the same process, just a little bit, saves you a little bit of time. Yeah, so this is really fun. I absolutely love the way it looks. I'm going to be featuring this stitch on my next knit along. So if that's something that interests you, stick around and I will be happy to share it with you. All right, until next time, as always, keep it cozy and be well.